Walk you through how to access the online practice STAAR test. So the website you're looking for is the one that's on your screen. It says Texas Assessments at the top. The easiest way to get there is to open a new tab in your web browser, and at the very top, up in your search bar, you're going to type STAAR practice test and click enter. The first link is going to say texasassessments.gov practice and release test. Click on that link and it'll take you to this website. Scroll down slightly, it'll say online practice test, and you're going to click on the option right here where it says practice test login. Where it says please sign in, you're going to leave everything as it is, do not change anything. Click the green sign in button at the bottom. Now select the grade level for the assessment that you're going to take, so I'm going to select 8th grade. Out of the 4 options, you're going to choose the top option where it says STAAR released tests. Now I'm going to select the content area exam that I'm looking for. So I'm going to do 2024 Reading Language Arts, and I'm going to take the STAAR grade 8 reading release test. Notice the first one has American Sign Language involved and this one has Braille. So I'm going to avoid those two and I'm going to click the one at the bottom. These are some of the settings that the students will interact with. We can leave all these as they are. We don't need to make any changes. So click the green select button at the bottom. This is information about the assessment. Feel free to read through this because it will pertain to the assessment that you are taking. So it's good to go through it so you understand the expectation. Once you finish, you'll click the green begin test now button at the bottom, and that will start the assessment. To answer questions, you'll read a passage, or if you don't have a passage, you'll read the question and you'll select the answer choice that you would like to choose. I'll go up to the top left and I'll click the next button to go to my next question. Once you make it to the final question and you click the next button, it'll have a screen that says, congratulations, you reached the end of the test. These all have triangles because I didn't answer them. I skipped through this part for this video. But all of these should not have triangles. Make sure if they do that you click into it to go answer that question. So just check to make sure you've answered all of the questions here. And you'll click the green submit test button. It's going to give you a prompt to make sure that you want to do that, and you'll click yes. And it's going to give you a screen that looks like this. This tells you what your score out of the max score was. So for instance, number 3, the one that one of the random guesses was correct, and so that one was correct, whereas 1 and 2 were incorrect. What's going to be really important here is everybody needs to make sure that you save this as a PDF, because this is going to be reviewed during our CLCs and it is going to be submitted. So do not exit out. As soon as you exit out of this screen, you will not be able to access this again, and you'll have to do the assessment again. So make sure you don't leave this screen until you've saved it as a PDF. So to save it as a PDF, you're going to right click on your screen. You're going to click print, and when your options come up, over here in the top right where it says destination, you're going to change it from your printer to the option that says save as PDF. Now, this will be different based on the resolution of your screen, but for me, all of my questions are not being shown. So what you can do to fix that is you can go to more settings, and where it says scale, you can change it to custom, and I'm just going to scale it down to 70. That's still not enough, so I'm going to go to 50, and 50 got it. So scaling it to 50% made it where all 45 questions are now in that window, so that when I save this PDF, I'll be able to see it.